Hi guys, it's Amit from Amit Cabra Marketing, and today we're going to be talking about dynamic search ads. So you're probably wondering what dynamic search ads are. Well, Google essentially runs through a retailer's website, pulls all the relevant information, creates an ad out of it, and then shows it to consumers with relevant searches. So this is really great for retailers who have a ton of products and don't necessarily have the time to actually create an ad for every single one. So basically what Google does here is create a headline based off of the consumer's search and then creates a whole ad around that along with the landing page. It really helps retailers scale. The benefit of using dynamic search ads is one, you don't have the time to write all the ads. Two, Google will dynamically do it for you. You can pause any stock that might be out of stock, but the problem here is that you have to ensure that your website is well maintained and well built. The way your site is structured will determine how Google places your ads. So take some time at the start of a campaign, actually before you even begin the campaign, to make sure that your site is well categorized, all the products are in the places that it needs to be, and again, that it's well maintained throughout the campaign. Because if it's not, your entire campaign will go to shit. If you want to up your PPC game, make sure you watch all of our other videos. You can also read my blog, or you can follow me on Twitter, or Instagram, or Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, if you're really lucky, Snapchat.
The PPC world can be confusing and scary. If you want to learn more, please subscribe, ring the bell, like, and comment on the video below.